Lao media personnel and China Radio International or CRI staff last week paid a visit to the China Railway No. 2 Engineering Group or CREC2 Xinyun Engineering Company Limited, Boten-Vientiane Railway, for a briefing on the progress of the construction. Reporters were able to take notes and observe the progress of construction during the journey. The trip began with a 22-kilometer ride in a railway carriage from Ban Sai Station in Saitani District to the CREC2 office at Ban Song Pui in Na Sai Thong District, Vientiane. The railway will have large-capacity logistics corridors and departments that will reduce the work of import and export agencies and enable the transport of equipment necessary for industrial development. System will be able to effectively reduce the transportation and working capital of finished products, and this product and expansion will facilitate the development of mineral resources, forests, water, and other resources in Laos, as well as foreign trade. The 422.4-kilometer railway connects Vientiane to the Chinese border. It slices through northwestern Laos, traveling the provinces of Vientiane, Luang Prabang, Udom Sai, and Luang Nam Tha, passing through 75 tunnels with a combined length of 197.83 kilometers, according to the Laos-China Railway Company Limited. There are 10 stations where passengers can board the train and disembark in Vientiane, Phon Hong, Vang Vieng, Kasi, Luang Prabang, Nga, Sai, Nam Mo, Na Tui, and Boten, and 22 stations for the loading and unloading of freight. Reporters then watched a video showing construction of the railway, Lao work crews carrying out various operations, and the way in which the railway had affected various parts of the country. It is said that the railway will also help develop tourism by bringing more visitors from China, increasing the income of Lao cableways and the employees involved, and enable better management of economic development. It is common knowledge that Laos and China share rivers and have neighborhood territories. This is important for the development of China's Belt and Road project, which will enhance cooperation between the two countries and benefit their peoples. The Laos-China Railway is a strategic part of China's Belt and Road Initiative and the Lao government's plan to transform Laos from being a landlocked country to a land link within the region. It will enable high-capacity, low-cost, small-scale transport routes and speed up the export of raw materials and other goods. At the CREC2 rail welding yard, project manager of the China Railway No. 2 Engineering Group, Mr. Hu Bin, told a group of reporters that the railway was now more than 80% complete after work began on December 2016. Mr. Hu Bin said the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a lot of setbacks, especially in relation to importing materials from China, as well as construction work itself because of measures introduced to prevent the spread of the virus. He said, adding that, but thanks to close cooperation between the Laos and Chinese governments, efforts were made to ensure the railway will be completed according to plan, and in August, we will bring the trains from China to Laos. The total construction cost is $5.986 billion or 37.4 billion yuan. The railway will cut the cost of transport through northwestern Laos by 30 to 40% compared to transport by road. The track runs from the Boten border crossing in the northern Laos, bordering China, to Vientiane, with trains running at a maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour. The government is confident the railway will spur socioeconomic development and enables Laos to make greater progress. Laos is a landlocked country with a high reliance on imported goods, mainly from Thailand, which accounts for more than 60% of imports, along with China and Vietnam. The dream of Lao and Chinese people to travel by train from Kunming in China to Vientiane in Laos will soon come true, with construction of the railway through Laos scheduled to completion at the end of this year. It is hoped that transport costs would be lower, as this would help to drive economic growth as well as reduce the overall cost of living in Laos. The scheme is a long-lasting and stable cooperation strategy for which China's President Xi Jinping has set ambitious goals. Considerable progress has been made in the construction of the Laos-China Railway, which has exceeded expectations. Supaksaran Silapit, LNTV English News Team reports.